T-drill part 2, drawing on the move. And today in this video, I'm going to feature Alien Gear's ShapeShift Appendix 4.0 holster along with Alien Gear's Cloak Tuck Mag Carrier. All of this coming up right now. Hi everybody, Mike Bishop for Tactical POV. Today we're going to talk about T-drill part 2, target acquisition. And what this drill is, I'm going to show you in this drill is that using a T-drill and drawing on movement while picking up your feet. If you look at my video, the one I did part 1, you can check it out in the card. I believe it's right here. Check that video out and you'll see what I'm talking about with the first part of this. This is part 2 and we're going to do a little live fire today. And I'm also featuring, if you can see it, yes, Alien Gear's ShapeShift 4.0 Appendix holster. If you also check the video out again there, I did a review on this holster, but it was an indoor review. This time you're going to see it live, see me use it outdoors. Finally had a chance to get to it. So also I did a video on Alien Gear's Cloak Tuck Mag Carrier also. Check out that video, that card right there. So, and you're going to see them both in action. Like I said, I did indoor reviews on both of these. Now I'm going to do them live out here. Right now I'm carrying this in a vertical position. I normally carry this mag holster in the horizontal across the belt line during the day when I work. So it's because it's a little bit more comfortable that way. But I naturally draw from everything from the appendix this way. So I naturally carry. During the day I do have to change positions and carry. So don't get me wrong, I do train in both positions, both strong side and appendix. Therefore, it's mind and muscle memory for both carry positions, but I mainly do carry appendix. So, with that being said, I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to show you this thing when I get everything set up here real quick and get you in a good angle where you can see me here. And I'm going to show you some drills, a couple steps here for target acquisition right there. And I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay. I'll try to work the best that I can here. So normally, of course, my shirt would be over the top of everything being carried though. But for demonstration, like I said, I'm featuring both of these today. So I'm gonna give you a clear shot of it with me moving with them. And I'm losing my light here because it's a little late in the evening. But anyway, like I said, normally this works good if you got 2 people to work with you. That way they can call out a target. I've only got 1 target set up right now. I'll probably come back again. I got another part to this drill also, and I'm going to use separate targets across here so you get a chance to see that. But right now, like I said, with part 2, we're going to focus on steps. So like in the other video, it's side step, it's diagonal, and it's calling different sections here between 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the target here. So as we go in the ready position, start out here, and I'm just going to pick a random step or anywhere I'm going to step. And you'll see here in the other video that I got you see here on the picture, you'll see my foot movement on each one. But the biggest key is picking your feet up and drawing on movement. It's not move, then draw. No, it's actually drawing on movement. So I want to get bit up here. This is what I mean by picking your feet up, drawing on move it. One whole fluid motion, everything, and it should be precise, on point, and balanced. Not rushing too fast, but focusing on the muscle memory on picking the feet up and placing them in step. So, here we go, firing it off here with, let me just pick something random here. There's one right there. So we'll move on to the next one here. Here we go. Next movement. You notice the steps aren't too wide. The biggest thing is being off balance with too wide of a step. If you're stepping way out here, jumping right here, and the base is this wide, center of gravity is low, but it cuts down on mobility. Your leg's only going to straddle so wide. So as far as being strong to move, to give yourself another step if you need it, you need to keep your feet in just about outside the shoulder. Shoulder width, just outside the shoulders, making sure they place square. That way you've got enough stretch to move either direction and you're not straddling yourself out too wide or too far away. So, same deal. Let me start here on the other side and take another motion here, another movement, another rear diagonal. Actually, it's a rear step. So, feet just outside of my shoulders. Same deal with forward motion. Keeping my feet balanced, keeping my center of gravity just not too high but not too low. Boom, step. Make that step. Get your feet back in place. So this time I'm gonna do it. I still got more left, but I'm gonna do a reload on this here. So step. Notice, as I said, see my stance, my feet are still comfortable, balanced, just outside of my shoulders. Right in here. Video's not gonna take long, guys. If you need more or something, make sure you leave it in the comments. I've got more coming to this drill here, but just to give you a movement to move on target acquisition. As I said, it works better if you've got somebody with you and they can call out either spot, you can spray paint it, whatever you want, mark it off. If you've got the facility to do it, works really good. Also, multiple targets, you can call out a spot and a target on there. And I'm gonna set that drill up next. So keep tuned for that one there. That'll be part 3. And I'll get another camera angle on there and show you. So, hey, guys, if you liked the video, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, man. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to do that also. Check out my merchandise line here, finally. Got my logo set here with the slogan. All the links to everything here, what I'm wearing, what I'm performing with here, all the links will be in the description there. Check out my website too also. I've got more designs coming, but I've got a couple up right now. Working on some more designs for you. So make sure you take a look at it. I appreciate it. And remember, man, just tune in for the next one. I got another one coming here. I got a bunch more actually, just trying to get to them. So this is Mike Bishop for Tactical POV, saying that being armed is a mindset, not just a physical condition.